In this video, we'll take a look at a simple way to wake up your spine as well as your shoulders for activities of daily living. Lay back on an exercise ball and have a towel or an exercise band between both of your hands with your arms up over your head and behind you, and gently roll back and forth on the ball. Do as little as you would like at first, just so you get comfortable with this motion. And the goal eventually is to be able to fully straighten out your legs when you roll back, so your knees are straight. Once you go through several passes, you can find a comfortable position and just do shoulder dislocates with the band or your towel. And the stiffer your shoulders are, the wider you want to have your hands, the further apart you want them to be. Extension of the spine and having your arms go overhead really go hand in hand biomechanically, so it's great to pair these two exercises. And just to show you from a different angle, to rock back and forth, really feel extension through your entire spine. You want to keep your trunk relaxed and breathe steadily. You can even linger in any part of this range if it feels good to further stretch out your spine, and then to finish off with shoulder dislocates. I hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions at all, please use the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more suggestions on how to improve your mobility and health. And for our most recent self-care suggestions, please use the link here to subscribe to our newsletter. All of this helps us produce more useful content. Thank you, and see you again soon.